Pagdating pa lang namin sa aming tutulayang hotel, ayan, nilapag lang namin itong mga gamit namin para maghanap ng mga makakainan, guys. At syempre, di na namin talaga palalagpasin yung dadaang oras, sayang. Kasi time is gold dito, ang bilis ng oras, lalo na kapag nag-enjoy ka, diba? Pagkatapos naman namin kumain, guys, saktong naulan, grabe, yung oras na to, oh. Para makapaglakad-lakad na sana kami, saktong yung hotel namin, pinakasentro ng kaganapan. After ng food trip at quick rest, ayan, tara na, activate na ang gala. At habang nag-iikot-ikot kami, ayan, oh, may nakita kami spot na perfect para magpa-picture at mag-relax. Grabe, guys, oh. Ang ganda ng view dito, very refreshing at instagrammable. Siyempre, hindi rin mawawala ang kunting kwentuhan at tawanan habang nag-explore at naglalakad-lakad pa kami sa iba pang parte ng Boracay, guys. So tara, samahan nyo kami at tignan natin kung anong susunod na makikita dito. At last, balik na kami dito sa beachfront. Same feels, same vibes, parang hindi nagbago. Hindi rin kami nag-atubili na maglakad-lakad pa at mag-igot-igot pang party ng Station 3, guys. Kahit gaano karaming turista dumarating at masilayan, ang ganda ng Boracay, para sa akin, iba pa rin yung pakiramdam. Kasi this is the place I can truly call home, the island of Boracay. Diba mas pino?
Wow!
Speechless kasi sa sobrang ganda ng Boracay at saka nakakain mo talaga. Babalikan mo talaga itong lugar na ito. So, tara na. Balik na kayo dito. Punta na kayo dito.
I wanna go back to the island called Boracay. And it feels like it's where I belong. There I find the peace. There's a place I can call home, on the island of Boracay. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Let's go! Oh, the water is blue and the pure sun is cold as a stone. Lying under the hand of the sun seems so cool. People are easy to get along, meeting different nation. Lying under the heat of the sun seems so cool. Let's go! I wanna go back to the island of Boracay. And it feels like it's where I belong. There I find the peace. There's a place I can call home, to the island of Boracay. Why, yo, 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 the island of Boracay. People smile everywhere, playing waves, it's fun to tell. People smile everywhere, playing waves, it's fun to tell. I wanna go back to the island of Boracay. And it feels like it's where I belong. There I find the peace. There's a place I can call home, on the island of Boracay.
Pinagabihan naman, guys, nag-ikot-ikot din kami para ma-experience ang nightlife. Grabe, endless ang ganap dito. From food trip to adventures, halos lahat ng activities andito na. Dito sa Boracay, hindi ka talaga maubusan ng ganap. Kung gusto mo ng adventure, andyan ang parasailing, island hopping, at diving. Para naman sa chill mood, pwede ka mag-relax sa beachfront, magpamassage, o mag-food trip sa iba't ibang kainan. Siyempre, pagdating ng gabi, buhay na buhay ang nightlife dito. Kaya halos lahat ng activities na hanap mo andito na sa islang ito. So guys, bibitinin ko muna kayo sa part na ito. Ayan. So hanggang dyan na muna, guys. So this is Papa Jobs, and that's the story.